Face diet V-line warming up. Creating a slim face shape V without excess. Most importantly, matching balanced proportions of the chin. Get rid of excess skin and wrinkles on the face. Connect with neck. There will be a slim and beautiful face. Use the index finger and middle finger to press the temples on both sides. Use all fingers except the thumb. Press encircling the cheekbones on both sides. Use thumb to press the muscles of both sides above the chin. Spread the index finger and middle finger, flanking the whole ear. Gently push up and down to loosen the muscles around the ear. Every step repeat 3 times.